everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the most important Power BI developer interview questions the asked in the LTIMINDTREE company. So there is a total 30 questions they asked me when I given a first round of interview. So uh, these questions are asked recently, and this is a very important questions. The first question is, tell me what ways to improve the performance of reports. You can able to give the answers 5 to 6 points. um, uh, in the second question, in previous project what type of data sources we used. You can tell about like a MySQL server, Excel flat files like SharePoint also, and sometime I used the Azure also. So next is the what is the star schema and snowflake schema. What are the components of Power BI? Next question is types of joins in Power Query Editor. You can tell that there is a six of types of joins present in the Power Query Editor. Though left join, right join, full outer join, uh, like inner join, left outer join, right outer join. There is a six types of joins present. Next question is what is fact table and dimension table, with examples. You can able to give that like a fact table is only one present into the table and format, and for a dimension table there is a lot of tables present related to one fact table. So in fact table there is a foreign key present, and in dimension table there is a primary key is present, and the all the tables of dimension tables is connected to fact tables. We can say that one to many relationships means primary tables, that particular column is connected with that fact tables of that particular column. How many types of refreshes are allowed in premium account? You know that in the premium account there is a 48 times scheduled refresh happens in a day. So we can do that because there is a advanced versions of there is a many more features we can able to use in the premium account. Difference between the sum and sum x. Recently faced challenges in project. You can give the answers in very well about this, because interview check your knowledge you are working on onto the project or not. Tell me about complex DAX functions you can use. You can tell that like a filter functions or like summarize we used. Sometime all selected, all accepted, that type of functions we used, and calculate also. Some time intelligence functions like dates add, dates in between, sample same period last year. That type of functions we used for the date time of calendar, right? What is the data query and data flow? So what is calculated column and measure? What is query folding in Power BI? What are the relationships in Power BI? You know that there is four types of relationships in Power BI. So one to one, one to many, many to many relationships, and many to one relationships. So just majorly we used only one to many relationship, because uh, so what are the components of Power BI? You know that there is a six type of components in Power BI. That is Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power Pivot, Power Review, Power Q&A, and Power Maps. So you can able to give the answer like that only. What is the rank and dense rank in SQL? Difference between Power Query and Direct Query. Tell me about types of context. There is a two types of context. There is a first one is a row level context, and second is the filter context. Difference between duplicate and reference. What is RLS, and explain in details. You know that the RLS is the row level security we used for a security purpose in the Power BI service. Suppose I want to give the anyone able to access, we can give this from that. And suppose in my report there is a four regions, north, east, west, south. So I just want to show that a particular client of that west side of data. So and other three sides of data we can able to hide from that row level security. What is calculated functions and how it works? Difference between major and calculated column. uh, List the most common techniques for shaping of data. You know that uh, for cleaning purpose we use a Power Query Editor in Power BI desktop. So from that we can able to give the shape of the data, like removing columns, adding columns, like remove rows, replacing null values, and appending merging of that tables. Suppose I want in my report there is uh, a lot of tables present. From that we can do this process, appending and merging. So what is a DDL and DML commands in SQL? You know that DDL is a data definition language, and DML is a command is used for a data manipulation language. In DDL, so we use like alter, drop, truncate, this type of, and create also we used in DDL. And in DML is insert, update, delete, uh, that type of commands we used. What is data gateway? What is field parameters? How do you implement incremental refresh? What type of subscriptions are available in Power BI service for report distributions? How many types of roles in Power BI service, and what is your role? There is a four types of roles present in Power BI service. First, admin role, member, contributor, and a viewer. So personally my role is that key contributor role. uh, in that role, can we can contribute reports and data sets, but can't manage workspace. As a contributor, I was responsible for developing reports, creating data sets, and ensuring data accuracy while uh, workspace standards. So we can do this uh, as a contributor role. um, that type of these questions are very important. When you are preparing for this type of questions, you can note down all the things one by one and prepare once when you are giving the interview of that type of LTIMINDTREE company. So previously I posted a lot of videos regarding Power BI interview questions with answers, and so just watch these videos. And if anyone don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if like the videos previously I posted a lot of. And if anyone have any questions, so please ask me into the comment section. I will be give the immediately reply of that question. And that's it. Thank you.